girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. Now I'm in my cousin's car. We're going to Kingston, Jamaica.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You can almost equate it to midterm elections in the US. Generally speaking, the turnout is very low. So it's going to be a reflection on the party's ability to get their base out, because it's really their base that's going to decide this. Based on what you're hearing here on the ground and so on, who is doing better at that, at energizing their diehards?
Is now urging all its supporters to come out, and you're seeing a lot of energy behind them. Everywhere the leader goes, you see a whole lot of energy, contrary to the leader on the other side. He's depending on money, while the leader on the other side is a kind of natural, yeah. So that's what we're seeing.
And I forgot if you gave me an opinion, because I've been asking people, should we really bother with local government as a tier of government? Is it?
Well, red light, catch me. Stop light. St Thomas have stop light.
St Thomas have stop light. I never see this the other night, you know.
Down there, sir, Grand Spin.
Okay.
Grand Spin, down there, sir.
Down there
Yes.
first.
So we're going to Europe on top of Grand Spin.
No, we have stop light.
Be the river down there.
Doggy. Check your little military job. Yeah, we're catching up one.
man can't get no way. But we don't want to know when we're not big elect.
Yeah, but then get that them to find a place it done because yeah, with that one the good skin no say yes, but which why you could have done
Yeah,
good.
good. Right there. Fine.
Alright. I don't be that chuck yard then, man. So when near the front, they can take it up back. You understand? We load it back. Yes, sir.
Carl, do it and tell you know. I'm not talking nobody.
So we can do that now.
You know what?
We're that foreign.
You know.
Don't block the drive, just dump it up on the mixer truck there, the roadside, right there, sir.
Alright. Alright.
We are call Prince.
Yeah. Call him up.
Without you, I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed.
Well, they say if things are hot, but guess what? The hot is always
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.
Guys, you ever see ice cream cake? Is a ice cream and cake in one. You're not a good friend.